Turn on any financial network, and you'll get the polite scripts, the polished smiles, and the illusion of a rational market making perfectly rational decisions. But if you want the truth, welcome to the Crowded Trade Podcast. The reality is, the adults left the room, and global markets have morphed into a casino, which leaves the serious investor, the one focused on growing real wealth and protecting the pile, staring down a board filled with noise, euphoria, and pure momentum. Out there on the floor, rampant speculators are chasing a new cheese every single market day, completely consumed by extreme fear, missing out, and a desperate need for a dopamine hit before the final closing bell. While the masses run themselves ragged, seasoned allocators step back to watch the madness unfold, mapping out exactly where the herd is running and where the cliff edge waits. That cliff is often hidden right behind the closed mahogany doors of your trusted financial advisor, where the receptionist insists they are tied up on vital calls. In reality, inexperienced junior analysts are buying whatever fund looked best in the rearview mirror, packaging last year's winners, and selling you pure sizzle while calling it a strategy, all while the actual advisor is safely out on the back nine, happily collecting a quarterly fee for managing a model portfolio they barely touch. Right now, that unguided capital is being funneled blindly into the most dangerous, overcrowded spaces imaginable. The daily dopamine hits, the 0 days to expiration options, the desperate need to make a quick buck by Friday, have all collided in artificial intelligence and semiconductors, creating a massive, unthinking concentration of capital. Consumers love to be in the herd because it offers the illusion of safety, but history is violently clear about what happens when everyone piles onto the exact same side of the boat. The only survival tactic is knowing how to locate the exit doors before the slurring and puking actually begins. True contrarians know how to embrace the momentum factor while the party is still going, all while quietly constructing an anti-momentum basket to hedge against the extremes. That requires independent thinking, calling out the BS, and having the integrity to admit out loud when we get it wrong. Because the more crowded to trade, the more violent the unwind. You just need to know how to spot the mechanical volatility, read the excess optimism, and trigger your escape plan. We talk about markets as they are, not as we want them to be. Join the conversation and subscribe to the Crowd.